Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to field strip an AR-15. Okay, so this gun was designed to be super easy to field strip. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to push this pin right here, and that'll come out. This rear takedown pin, that guy's going to come out, and then we're going to push. Then we're going to push this front one here. Sometimes you have to get like a screwdriver if your gun sucks, but usually can just do by hand. These things won't come out because there's a little detent that will keep them from coming out all the way. Then your upper is going to be completely free from your lower. And the other thing you're going to do is you're going to pull this charging handle, pull it back. Your bolt carrier will drop out, and then your charging handle will drop out. And that is how you field strip an AR-15. So put it back together. We're going to take this, we're going to stick it in down below, push to the top, and you'll feel it go up just a little bit as the grooves catch. Then we're going to take our bolt carrier group, and this gun is filthy. Slide the gas tube into there. You need to make sure on your bolt carrier group that the bolt is not pushed back, because if that little notch is back there, it won't go in all the way. So make sure it's pulled forward, and then it'll slide right in just like that. And then just put the lower back on. I usually like to do the front pin first, and then I do the rear pin. I'm trying to do this all on camera. Just push it down, and then your rear pin will go right in. I have a little bit of a custom trigger that kind of fights me a little bit, so there we go. And then that goes in, and then you're good to go. So that is how you field strip, put it back together in an AR-15. Okay guys, if you have any questions about an AR-15 or field stripping or anything, please put that in the comments below. Thanks for watching.